Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to install Menyoo 2.0 in GTA 5. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to the official GTA 5 mods website. From there, download Menyoo 2.0 and save it on your PC, usually in the Downloads folder. Next, download Script Hook V, which is required for mods to work in GTA 5. After both files are downloaded, you will have two zip files. Now, right-click on both zip files and extract them. Open the Script Hook V folder, go to the bin folder, and copy DINPUT8, Script Hook V, and Native Trainer files. Paste these files into your GTA 5 installation folder. Next, open the extracted Menyoo folder and copy Menyoo.asi and the Menyoo Stuff folder into the same GTA 5 directory. Launch GTA 5 in story mode and press F8 to open Menyoo. So that's basically how you can install Menyoo 2.0 in GTA 5. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.